So they're practically cooking there, and actually they're gonna make a twist on the boodle fight, which is a traditional way of eating in the Philippines, and they're gonna make some Indonesian dishes or Indonesian element in it.
From a boy.
Careful. It's okay. Put that feet again. This is the finalized sambal terasi.
You want here?
Hello.
Stay here.
Hello.
Huh?
Here?
But
Mag-pwede siya dito. Sabot ni Ira.
Okay. Lagyan mo pa sa gitna.
Ooh. Oh, okay. Is it like to prevent the water from seeping through? Yeah, overlapping should be great.
Yeah.
So dito natin yung
Panning, yes.
Wow.
Well, you're using your hands. I'm nervous about this.
Don't be. Will
What's
be
the name?
beautiful.
Pepes
Bandeng.
Bandeng.
Ooh.
Is it a common like daily meal?
It's not. So it's like it's a traditional West Javanese dish, which is like pepes. So we usually can find it in Bandung, for example. Have you been to Bandung before?
I haven't been to
Oh.
but Filipino version,
That's pretty.
right?
Oh, I think it's cooked perfectly, no? Well done. Bing. Chicken. Wait. Bing.
Yung
Wow.
Mali ka.
Making flour, huh? Pretty. Where do you want to go? Good.
Let me see. Sorry.
Favorite chicken. Let's do this.
Ayam Serundeng
Woo!
and Pepes Bandeng. Bandeng.
This is amazing.
Where's my... So you get
The rice?
your rice here.
Yes.
Yeah, this is your plate.
Oh, okay.
Ito yung maanghang.
Yay!
Wow.
You put
To my plate.
Camera for me. Camera for me.
Wow. Ah, it's hot. It's hot. Ay.
Kain na muna. You try this first.
Because it's yummy. Nice.
Hindi malaki.
Then get the chicken. Thank you.
Try mo muna.
Can I get the sambal?
Hindi masarap?
Ante, you have to try this. No?
Ayoko. Kami talaga, no?
Sambal. So
Maanghang.
put here.
Ante, pagka ang...
Wah.
Hindi pala yung mo isda.
It's hot.
Hindi. Marami na eh. Oh, go. Ano, hindi ba yummy?
Sarap.
Oh.
There's so many leafy.
I think this will pair well with the sambal, with...
The fish with sambal.
Yummy. Yummy.
With rice.
Water. I need water.
Surprisingly, this is good.
Wow.
The fish.
like it.
Delicious. Actually, it pairs well with the sambal, as you said. It's good.
Right?
That's good.
Good. Uy.
I'm so proud.
You should be. It's very
Congrats.
good. This is very good. Even the chicken.
Did I capture the... Is it close to the original, traditional Ayam Serundeng?
Yes. But I feel like because you marinate it through the cooking, it's not seeped through. But if you marinate it overnight, which usually all
Yeah.
Indonesians do, that's why it gets the flavor of the galangal, the ginger,
everything is-
is seeped through inside of the chicken. I mean, at my home, we usually just buy the already marinated one.
Because
That's why I don't know how to marinate it properly. But this is very good because I mean we don't use butter, right? We just let the chicken dry like this. It can get a little bit crispier, but it depends on preferences.
Yeah. Ano? Sige pa, eat pa. You want this more?
Wait.
Try natin na overnight.
Nagustuhan niya. O, dahil marami ka pa, anak ko.
Masarap na ito. Yung
Ayaw tayo beefy.
Sabi ko sa'yo, di ba?
ulam mo yun.
Order.
I'm Serundeng. I think the next time the chili should have more chili, no?
Yeah.
This becomes a bit purple because a lot of sibuyas.
Yes. It needs to have more. And I think it's better if it's really the bird's eye chilies. The smaller one.
Yeah. With that one, you don't need a lot of it because it's spicy.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I love the fish. It's so easy to eat.
Sarap talaga yung ano, yung
Uwi
This
na
is
kami.
my early birthday celebration.
Uwi na kami.
When?
Tomorrow.
Kumain ka na. Yeah, tomorrow is Mara's birthday. 11.
Wow. I mean, and you're making this for all of us. Thank you.
But that's what I usually do
Oh, okay.
for my birthday. I don't.
She cooks for everyone, the entire village.
Oh, the entire compound?
Village.
Village. Wow.
Not really because of my
Yeah.
So this is very Sundanese.
sundan niya.
You also have this one, no?
Exactly.
In Indonesia.
So when the first time I had BOODLE fight in Tagaytay, I was like, this is Sundanese food. Except, you know, some twist, you know, like the talong and the boiled veggies. You eat it with shrimp paste, like the
Bagoong.
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 Yeah, so we eat it with sambal. We also have fried chicken, you have fried pork, you have
Yes.
fried shrimp.
And same with sundanese.
Yes,
Abuleta.
very same. Except we use sambal and not soy sauce and
Right.
vinegar.
Yeah.
Where is Sundanese? Where is
Bandung.
it located?
Bandung.
Oh, Bandung.
So Bandung, Cirebon, Bogor, Tangerang actually is also West Java. Oh, but also what's good about Sundanese, we have a lot of raw veggies on the side. So basically we have cucumbers, we have lettuce, so we eat it together and sometimes we make wrap.
Ah.
So this is oily, right?
Just like,
Korean?
no, Vietnamese.
Oh, okay.
They have wraps, right?
Your diet? What are you talking about?
May diabetes. The diabetes.
We keep getting more rice and rice like this. Oh, so what we do as well, if you cannot handle the spiciness, we add dark glazed soy sauce
Yeah.
on top of the chili sambal. So you mix it together. Usually it's more kid friendly.
For me, if it's becoming too spicy for me, I just eat more rice. I'm telling Bella, just
Yeah.
eat more rice.
Hello.
And I think that's a perfect combination, like rice with coconut.
Definitely. Because rice has sugar. You should try making nasi uduk. Coconut milk infused rice.
Udok.
Udok.
So it's eaten with fried chicken and sambal terasi. So you have fragrant rice.
Pakneran mo ito. Pakneran mo. Pero ito mabagoong siya.
This has to go away.
Pero maanghang pinto. You have to learn how to try different kind of food.
And you need to learn how to eat spicy food.
And also this one. This is different because
Is this your first time eating this as well?
Yeah.
Oh. This is very similar to what we have in Indonesia. So Mara did a great job.
Ipiprito mo pa rin yung
ibigay mo. You have to
overnight, no?
We can do another one tomorrow.
Masarap po!
Wow.
What's the Indonesian happy birthday song?
It's the same, but you exchange the happy birthday with Selamat Ulang Tahun.
Salamat ulang tahaw.
Selamat ulang tahun. Selamat ulang tahun. Selamat ulang tahun. Selamat ulang tahun. Yeay! Ooh, I thought it was brownies, so it's like chocolate cake.
Chocolate plate.
Ira wants to eat. The bitch, he wants to eat. Wow. I don't see Isla. Where is Isla?
Papansin kami.
Oh.
Leo, no?
Oh, late.
Sunday.
See you Sunday.
Bye-bye.
Bye,
Bye-bye. Thank you. Thank you.
This.
Thank you, Isla. Bye-bye. Oh, wow. Thank you. Where's Mara? Thank you. Thank you so much.
Thank you
See you
for coming.
again. Was
Hope you
delicious.
enjoyed the
I enjoyed it so much. Thanks so much.
Yeah, you can come back anytime.
Yay! Thank you! Yes lah, I will bring you sambal every time I come with terasi lah.
Bye-bye.
No sambal, no get in. Bye! I love the food. It was like, just like my food. The serundeng was great. I mean, while I was reflecting, how the hell did I not know how to make ayam serundeng? Because we do that all the time in Indonesia. But maybe it's because we have it. It's so accessible to us that we don't appreciate it enough. So when there are non-Indonesians that do like these foods very much, I feel a bit, I don't know, I appreciate the food more. Yeah. And the hard work that people do to actually make this food taste good. So thank you so much for my friend. They're called Mara. And then the husband is Ube and the kid is Isla. Okay, good night. I'm gonna sleep well.